Hello, and welcome to my channel, Passionately Designed. I created this channel as a platform to showcase my designs. I hope you consider subscribing and joining my journey as I transform spaces. Enjoy! This nursery was designed to be a calm and serene space with a neutral palette of warm whites, cool grays, wood tones, leather, and natural elements. This former sunroom features a custom hexagon stenciled wall, spotlighting laser-cut stained wood accents, modern furnishings, and cute accessories that are visually appeasing to the eye and function as additional storage. Curtains in each corner of the room adds another layer of texture while blocking sunlight during nap time, as well as offering an additional layer of privacy. No nursery is complete without cute cuddly friends to play with. From animals, books, trinkets, and toys, there is plenty to keep baby occupied throughout the day. Even Dad, an avid AFOL, adult fans of Legos, found a spot to showcase his creator-level Fiat 500 with the hopes that baby will take after his love of Legos one day. From comfort, style, function, and fashion, this modern nursery has it all to be a complete oasis for both mother and child for years to come.